North Carolina, eastern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, Richmond County and central North Carolina, southeastern Randolph County and central North Carolina, Lee County and central North Carolina, Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Siler City to 12 miles west of Goldston to near Seagrove to near Visco to near Ansonville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Wadesboro, Pittsboro, Troy, Carthage, Siler City, Pinehurst, and Hamlet. Straight-line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, and Richmond.